Every miracle begins with a dream. Every scientific breakthrough begins with someone who dares to challenge the impossible. In the late 1970s, infertility remained one of the greatest challenges in medicine. For countless couples, the dream of becoming parents often seemed beyond reach. Then, on 25th of July 1978, history was made in England with the birth of Louis Brown, the world's first baby conceived through in vitro fertilization, or IVF. The world celebrated this extraordinary achievement. But while global attention was focused on Britain, another remarkable story was quietly unfolding in Kolkata, India. Just 67 days later, on 3rd of October 1978, a baby girl was born through IVF in Kolkata. She was lovingly called Durga, as she was born during the auspicious season of Durga Puja. Her official name was Kanupriya Agarwal. With her birth, India demonstrated that it had independently achieved one of the most significant milestones in reproductive medicine. Behind this remarkable success stood an extraordinary scientist, Dr. Subhash Mukherjee. Working alongside Dr. Sunit Kumar Mukherjee and Dr. Saroj Kanti Bhattacharya, he pursued a dream that many believed was impossible. Without sophisticated laboratories, without international funding, without advanced technology, driven only by scientific curiosity, determination, and an unwavering belief in helping childless couples, the team developed India's own IVF technique. Their achievement should have been celebrated across nation. Instead, it was met with disbelief. Questions were raised, doubts overshadowed discovery. Dr. Subhash Mukherjee was denied permission to present his research before the international scientific community. His work dismissed rather than examined. Recognition turned into rejection. The burden of professional isolation became overwhelming. In 1981, Dr. Subhash Mukherjee passed away. Long before the world acknowledged his scientific significance of his pioneering work. One of India's greatest medical innovators left the world without receiving the honor that he deserved. But science has a way of revealing the truth. As IVF technology advanced across the globe, researchers revisited Dr. Mukherjee's work. They discovered that his methods were remarkably advanced and scientifically sound. The recognition that had once been denied finally arrived. Today, Dr. Subhash Mukherjee is remembered as one of the pioneers of IVF India. His vision laid the foundation for a revolution in fertility treatment. Meanwhile, Durga Kanupriya Agarwal grew up healthy, lived a private life, and later became a mother herself. Her life became a living proof that IVF could safely and successfully help families fulfill their dream of parenthood. Today, millions of children have been born through IVF around the world. Every one of those births carry forward the legacy of pioneers who believed that science could create hope where there was once despair. The story of Durga is not simply the story of India's first IVF baby. It is the story of courage over doubt, science over skepticism, hope over heartbreak. And above all, it is the story of a scientist whose brilliance was recognized too late, but whose legacy continues to transform millions of lives. Every time a child is born through IVF, every time parents hear the first cry of their newborn, every time hope triumphs over infertility, the legacy of Dr. Subhash Mukherjee lives on. This is not just the story of India's first IVF baby. This is the story of hope. This is the story of perseverance. And this is the story of Durga.